Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of We the People, and today we have with us the CFO of Supertron India, Mr. Nirmal Meharia. Nirmal ji has been working in the industry for more than 3 decades, and Supertron has been a national leader in terms of distribution of electronics and electricals across the country. With a top line of 5,000 crores, Supertron has been a leader in the industry and has been an avid part of building and bringing the digital revolution to India. So thank you for being with us, sir.
Thanks.
We'll just be chatting आज थोड़े बहुत about how your experience has been with the e-waste industry and also now compliances and other waste management भी grow हो रहा है. तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट EPR 2011 में it was introduced for the
Yeah.
first time. First 5 years I think इतना कोई खास impact नहीं था. 2016 onwards it has been a part of our lives in terms of e-waste and now in other waste streams as well. तो आपके क्या thoughts है about EPR and what do you think about the law?
EPR is basically a nice cause which government had introduced. But yes, in the initial years, there was a lot of confusion among the people, among the industry, that how to comply with that. Yeah, government was not too much hard on that period. But yes, gradually they increased the targets and numbers. And to comply the targets is a bigger challenge in India. Because in India, normally we do not throw out a product, any product, whether it is an electrical product, electronics item or anything, with the normal life. We want to use them for extended lives. And even disposing of this waste is not properly done. So this was the need to bring EPR regulations. And regulations, the major challenge was to bring the awareness. And this awareness was not initially too much. Nowadays, awareness increased. And we thought that earlier we faced little challenge in mobilizing the waste and other things. But nowadays, at least we are able to manage our targets. Every year we have managed, definitely. And we try to do the same.
Wonderful. Okay. So yeah, for those of you who don't know, EPR stands for Extended Producer Responsibility. This is the responsibility of brand owners of electronics, plastic and battery कि जो भी सामान वो market में बेच रहे हैं, whatever waste is getting generated out of that needs to be recycled properly. This is I think the 10th anniversary of EPR more or less in India and definitely काफी compliances आई हैं and Supertron has been one of the leaders in it and आप Huladeck के साथ काफी सालों से जुड़े हैं सर. So how has Huladeck helped you in this process of maneuvering through the EPR challenges?
Huladeck's best part was that what I have seen a difference between other EPRs and Huladeck was the awareness. The way they did the awareness, because the awareness is designed in the root levels like schools, housing societies and public places, which was missing earlier. But Huladeck has created a initiative where they put billboards or other articles of display where they created awareness. Even housing societies, they called up the secretary and president of the societies, lot of residents and young kids to inspire them to dispose their waste, electronic waste especially, responsibly. Because nowadays what is, we are just throwing it in dustbin. The Huladeck no, don't throw in dustbin. We are putting a dustbin and throw it in them and we will correct periodically. So this was a great part and this basically encouraged us to partner with them.
Right.
And to meet our target in a better manner.
Right. And when you, sir, mentioned about awareness creation, I'm sure most of our viewers have seen this, that हम काफी awareness करते हैं in terms of door-to-door collection activity. Right now also as we speak, there is a Huladeck Express that is going on. There within 24 hours we are offering door-to-door pickup service for anyone who wants to responsibly dispose of their e-waste. And of course, such campaigns are funded by, our producer partners like Supertron. So thank you for that, sir, obviously. And हम आगे भी और ऐसा करते रहेंगे. So when you are selecting a partner or a vendor, what are a few things that you keep in mind? If you can discuss a little bit about that. आपकी क्या expectations रहती है in general?
The major expectation is the timelines needs to be maintained. We should be fully compliant and it should be as per the norms fixed up by the CPCB or other authorities. That needs to be, and apart from that, it needs to be a cost effective also, because it should not be pose a burden on importer and producers. So Huladec has tried to reduce the cost as well as, and to meet the deadlines, they are very punctual in collecting and recycling the wastes and producing the certificates. Even they are helping in filing the returns and other statutory requirements.
Right. Thank you so much for that. So you've been a trendsetter in the industry, sir. 6th year you are EPR compliant 100%, and I'm sure in the next 20 years also till till this liability will be there, you will be. So there are a lot of producers, or PIBOs who are not taking it very seriously, and they are not doing the compliance to 100%. So what is your message for them, that whether it should be done, not be done? What do you think?
I think everybody should do this. This is not your only a business or statutory responsibility. Apart from statutory, socially you are responsible, and as part of your social responsibility, you should comply it, rather than feeling that no, this is my statutory responsibility, I should comply. No, it's not like that. You should be socially responsibility towards climate and other things. You should be responsible of any waste, whether it is a battery waste or electronics waste or any kind of waste, plastic waste. We should reduce the waste and we should recycle and reuse them. This should be the main motto of this.
Absolutely. So reuse, reduce, and recycle. That's the mantra Nirmalji leaves us with. One last question for today, sir. That आपको last year हमारा prestigious Huladec Honors से नवाजा गया था. For those of you, you can see the award in the background. क्या feeling रही सर? आपने show भी attend किया था, and you saw so many people from different walks of life there. If you can share.
But I never thought that we will get an award on collecting waste. Basically, awards you can do for achievements, business achievements, other personal goals and other things. But for waste collection and other things, we never thought. So it was a new experience altogether for us. And really, we thank Huladec for organizing all these events. And this is nothing but, this is again inspiring people. When people come to me, they see these awards, they got inspired. Okay, you are doing this also. Yes, we are doing.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thanks. Thanks.